Sisi wengine tutamchunga. Wewe unafikiria huko Kisii hata hii maneno mnasikia mtu atatoboa? Kama hamkutoboa hiyo wakati mwingine mlikuwa na nguvu. Saa hii my friend, mimi niko hapo na mimi ni chief whip bwana. Wacha kucheza. Tutawhipu nyinyi mpaka na viboko. Iko sawa, iko sawa. Yes, ile wakati nguvu ilikuwa mingi. Sasa saa hii hakuna kitu huko. Acha. Watu wanakuja kuchezea hapa rais. Lazima pia yeye amaliza yake 10.
Nchomo riria wigita seni yakisi Hot TV na kwarigani na nina wakire mbya muna singi nchwe kwenda gusangamo ni ntwe. Nja samuritane nguru kwa nyaptu Dennis kwa wanja uko nangeri kuntu. Today is on Sunday 13th May 2025. Ndage tuko kwanira igoro ya Muskesi Rivana Osoro and other members of parliament bari bagenda alia as a county ya Nandi Nandi Stadium na gocha gukora mangana siasa kirabarenge ase emisa mwancho murire bugeta senja kisi Hot TV specifically ndete gukwana mangana osora kwana amangana yogo chiko whip ko baka chinya unyo the opposition leaders Dr. Fred Matiang'i asibona iga na Gashagwa na Kalonzo na wabona iga bari opposition nero gasene konyegeri Kenya Kwanza government. Today Osoro karase ekani asibalenge Nandi. Osoro na atamanga he is going to whip this team. No nyina kwanira Matiang'i bobe nga when they were in government kabalenge in power mbasi nyitu kuiroborai. That is 2022. Wono iga nerore a chief whip. And he's going to whip this team ya Dr. Fred Matiang'i. Actually, kuwa na Dr. Fred Matiang'i bobe alichinsa mocha Nandi. Ndara react osenkuwa nekende. Turategerera amangana asirivana Osoro akuwa na alia Nandi.
Sisi wengine tutamchunga. Wewe unafikiria huko Kisii hata hii maneno mnasikia mtu atatoboa? Kama hamkutoboa hiyo wakati mwingine mlikuwa na nguvu. Saa hii my friend, mimi niko hapo na mimi ni chief whip bwana. Wacha kucheza. Tutawhipu nyinyi mpaka na viboko. Iko sawa, iko sawa. Yes, ile wakati nguvu ilikuwa mingi. Sasa saa hii hakuna kitu huko. Acha. Watu wanakuja kuchezea hapa rais. Lazima pia yeye amaliza yake 10. Ama namna gani? Akimaliza yake 10, mimi na Kimani Ichung'wah tutakuja hapa tuwabembeleza mtupatie yetu. Ama hatutoshi? Si yu Kimani Ichung'wah anatosha? Na si mimi natosha pia? Yes.
Kagete kwa iguru mno Osoro akwana alia nsemo ya Nandi County. Osoro is a member of parliament na andole National Assembly Chief Whip. Alia Assembly ya Kenya. I want to remind you, Osoro, according to the constitution ya Kenya ya 2010, as about powers choko whip, abantu abago pingana na Ruto, osiko baka none ivoko, muna mineti. Tapo atita those powers. Why? Osoro about the powers choko rasa Mugirango, na powers cha National Assembly choko whip. Members of National Assembly, not even the Senate, because the Senate nebwate a whip yabo. Ere ashugurikere National Assembly in the House. Mwancho murere abo geta seni yakisi Hot TV. Osoro is talking about Matiang'i and his team. Kale Nandi County. Nandi County nso bongo so Ruto, because Ruto no akuru ensemeyo. Osoro is talking about Matiang'i omwana waboko rugusi kumukwana aralia Nandi bobe. I don't know osemwane koigwa no nyaba those people abakoro kwa Nandi osomo kare bakarte ribonse bago support Ruto Lakini kwanza kwa baga soka chiko kwa na Ruto bobe. Osiko morama. No. Osoro is talking about Matiang'i. Na kurama Matiang'i adalia in Nandi County. Lakini kusiga hata kuwana. And in fact, isipokuwa South Mugirango as Osoro akoro. I want to dare Osoro at Chegusi, either Nyamira County or Kisi County. Akwa nebo about Matiang'i. Ara me Matiang'i bobe. Te kunyarikana. Na neta kwa iguibaga. Anyway, nchibono nche topic. Nkwana about these members of parliament. Bagasi nego togi Ruto. Praising Ruto day and night. And yet, as Bakurwa, there is no development. Roads, Chikwete, Chiyo. Infrastructure like, let me say about schools, every SVH school, electricity, CDF money. It is not working. The only thing mama itakokora, no go tana go kwatebia, ba kwa ya koboko, wakachi nkobi. Ladies and gentlemen, Kiana Chakra South Mugirango. This member of parliament, Silvana Osoro, uyoga sene kwa Matiang'i isiko ya gusi, kukwana opposition na kotogi Ruto, isiko ya gusi na ime ya gusi, era saboka, kazi yake Ruto 10 prekichitayo day and night. But I want to send you to South Mugirango. Do you know, even Nono Osoro, this member of parliament, tabo atinone pare kwa kena muae, in fact yana barabara ya kwenda kwake. I'm saying this, and the go kubekirande video next thing abo watch. Tanko nyerege ntekemo. In the year 2024, umote nyonane, chitariki 13, this chief whip, the deputy president Orengo Ochinga Kecho Rigathi Gachagua, the president William Ruto, and other leaders, wakagana South Mugirango, kwa igore para ego chakera nduru, yachi chasa koro kwa Nyabiosi, yana Nyakorere, Riembe, yaga no Rencho, yabwata Nyabigena Ikoba. This is the route ekwana mwabo soronka, ekwana mwosoronka. Either otumeke korwa nduru, ochichege sonso, ochiche Nyabiosi, ochiche mwabo soro Nyakorere. Or orwere koru Ikoba, ochiche baka, no sorry, Ikoba Nyabigena. Ochiche Rencho, ochiche Nyakorere sobo soro. This is the route Osorako Kalakuru Kisi town. He can use those routes we can solve. But this road ikasaka kwa 2019 ekaro Ruto alenga deputy president and the president Uhuru Kenyatta. After elections, before elections, chitara chikuwa 2022, kwama. Since then, up to date, nabe kwamete. Lakini, last year, Osoro akaire president Ruto. Akaigora the same road. Akabeke virakita, wakagacherige na wakataba this road was opened by the president of Kenya, Dr. William Samuel Ruto. The same road. Aria siya kwa menete, wakagacherige na, wakabeka mabati ya hiva kalikabo higo, wakaigore para. The president akanaoni pechi yae. Akalika na igore para lero, korunduru, yabwata Nyabiosi, yabwata Nyakorere, yakorera guchi Nyabigena. Lakini ngizikyo kumenga ringa, vuna Ruto igorete pare liga, akarine ndaga karina State House. Ebira kitana birabyo, bikatara mwendo wa kope. Ngora bikaenda State House. Since then, pare ye igorwa up to date. Njanya koroswa and the same road Osoro gutumeka kwenda Mwae. Osoro tabwati In fact, also Mosoro ngena parere na nderege tiro igoro amagene igoro. Ekero wete rough road yo kwa kubwate gari embete gutira wike kwama abantu bagusugume egete gi Osoro igoro. Egete gi Osoro igoro ogukwa mosugumun because tabwati para. Lakini day and night praising Ruto, day and night dreaming about Matiang'i. Kakwenda anywhere, kashagwa. Kakwenda na my sitting room, Ruto, 10 pita break. Yet there is no end development South Mugirango. Next video ngo chikokora, I want to show you roads cha South Mugirango na chikororekana. Let me show you this road Osoro before I say even to binde. Pontumuri wita seni akisi Hot TV njenye to Dennis Kuntu pari wita se ipare yiga ya gesonso kogenda chinse moja nyambigena ogenda ikoba. The reason why na trinida se ipare yiga you see ese diga ne rami ese diga ne pare trabe kwa irami yere. Mwako uriwetete the last trip ya President William Ruto gocha gusi nwarenga South Mugirango. Nechi para chiri aigorete ne pare yiga ekurwa gesonso etati sinduru wete gesonso ogende orencho ogenda nyabigena arafu ekore ikoba. So history ye pare yiga ya sekete kwa gachwa 2019 regime ya President Uhuru Kenyatta. In fact, the first term ya Silvana Osoro, the member of parliament South Mugirango, agate pare gikiraga 2019 ekero Uhuru Kenyatta ringe president akanyekeriga. Last year the current president William Samuel Ruto achite akabeke I was here akabeka igaiga babegete tent red carpet ya ringe segaiga president agatininaga iga ebira kitabi ya ringe gari bakaigora epare yewa ngento ngekiga bakaigora epare yiga yatakere guchaka egenderere kwa gacho lakini tibati ndi rikomera gaiga pede wachiti bakarusi baga zitegente kiki agachi tugiga last year. So epare kabanga nere kugenderera kurugabo baka asakuru kunya bigena. In fact this is the road umuske Silvana Osoro agutumeka kugenda mwae mwa Silvana Osoro iko hapa mbele tu some around 2 kilometers kuruwe igaseto teneine nere kwa na Osoro. But since then the president William Ruto aigorite pare kira gitaki arenge somewhere here president akarine kira gitaigoro ngokongonyarande those pictures and those videos akarime para agatewone pare achakire eroswe. Thank you. These same members of parliament wakaseneko togiruto day and night. If you go to their constituencies magenderero tayo. Yesterday the deputy president Kithure Kindiki nwanenge Kirinyaga County a member an MCA Kirinyaga County alipewa microphone mbele ya watu mali walikuwa wanachangia group za wamama over 40 groups na akashika microphone akaambia deputy president, last time mlikuja hapa na president tukafungua barabara na hii barabara tulifungua after 1 week Ruto ameenda State House, tractors zikatolewa zikawafuata State House. Hiyo barabara tangu hiyo time mpaka saa hii imefungwa. Hakuna kitu inaendelea. My question is this. Mbona mufungue barabara kama mumanyete chiba satichia uchukua gache pare hiyo? Yesterday ne wete Kimani Shungwa kago tebanga ngati nembura. Nga nembura yagera embura yagera chi contract chiri kwa gache chi pare hiyo. Let me ask you a question Kimani Shungwa. Barabara ya South Mugirango kwa Osoro ilifunguliwa na Rais William Ruto mwaka wa 2024 mwezi wa 8 hadi sasa hivi hata 1 centimeter, even 1 centimeter haijawahi tengenezwa. Wano kubodi gari swali neri. Wano kuro mutinyo 8 2024 mpaka sayo mutinyo 5. Matukai gonsi pia mbura yabereke gotwa contract kagenda. This government, they have changed their strategy. Sai kone kwa UDA na eba azimio lakini more ime ya UDA. Mogoto mwa mwate yabigu 2 members of parliament genda Nandi Hills. Abande genda Kirinyaga. Abande genda Embu. Kazi yenyu kwana Ruto buya matebi 10 bila break. Estima na chabeke chipara na chagache. Kuromwa sera abantu muirana. I want to remind Kenyans that this government, yes of course, iko kwa ndio inongoza asibono iga. But again, I want to remind abara ibari morororo. Change umangana siasa. Siasa ilimwari kwa ngina abaibori baito wa 1990s. Wata achete school. Wata somete bonds. Na mkwari kuba ngaina. This chinga kechi. Basomire abantu basomire. You can't lie. To kwa ngaina change siasa. Change siasa make it etware amagenderero. Change siasa etwara amagenderero, siasa ya amagenderero. In fact, siasa ya amagenderero, mwete siasa ya amagenderero. Na mwataka kuchange a constitution yokora even 30 years. Na mwokora when there is development. Right now, I hear about eba ati obosibore osine 100. Obosibo kuruga. In fact, obosibo kuruga osibore 150. Supermarket. Mimi, I'm not castigating this regime, but I want to remind you, and I feel guilty. A certain member of parliament standing before abantu. You can't lie. In fact, when you start to lie, I feel like vomiting. Don't lie. Don't make a lot of noise. And yet, where you come from, we don't see anything. Barabara ziko. CDF, chibasa cha CDF. Amulipi orphans shule. Barabara bataka. Pateteko somobara bangaini. You don't pay school fees for them. Kazi yenyu siasa tu, you talk of kwana round. Korina chindege kosunguka Kenya. And making a lot of noise. And I think this government is failing when you allow siasa chiko chaka sai. When you are in government, a leader of wakeretu chikuru ugachorwa. I want to remind you one thing. Do your work. Korega asi. Your work will speak. Ega asi awone kuwa na saba na inji. Otherwise, na mwago chaka mga inabanto, squeeze Gen Z wengi wamechukua ID. They are well informed. This alpha ni watu wengi wamesoma. So, if you will not change, the change is going to change you. Thank you very much. Nchenya to Dennis Kuntu. Nyasaye ngoyo.